Hi, and welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I'm excited because I've been looking for some new hair products for my natural curly hair, and I wanted to try out Tracee Ellis Ross's brand new hairline, and I got the travel size shampoo and the travel size conditioner in heavy conditioner for coilies. So today I'm going to be using that. And just so you guys know, before I started my wash routine today, I did apply some apple cider vinegar to my scalp, and I massaged that in just to help break up some of the buildup that was on my scalp, and I rinsed that off, and then I applied the shampoo, rinsed that out, the conditioner. I let that set in for about 6 to 7 minutes, and then I rinsed that out. So you'll see all that in the video. So if you're interested in seeing how my results turned out and what I think about these products, stay tuned and be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so you don't miss out on the next great video I have coming your way. Let's hop into it. All right, so I'm about to apply the shampoo to my freshly rinsed hair. I rinsed it with just water. And as you can see, this does lather really nicely. It smells really good. And for me, when I do my wash routine, I like to get the shampoo on the roots as much as possible and try to get my scalp nice and clean, because I do have a challenge with dry scalp and buildup. So I definitely want to make sure I get it all in there. And as you can see, it's lathering up really nicely. And I only did one pass of shampoo. Of course, you can do multiple, rinse it out with water in between each one. But I usually just typically do one, unless my hair is like really, really, really dirty. Next, I'm just going to rinse out all the shampoo before I add in the conditioner. So next I'm going to add in the conditioner after I've rinsed out all the shampoo. And I like to just work in sections on my hair. So I'm just going to apply it to half of my hair so I can work it in and get it combed through and detangle it. So as you can see, it's a very thick cream. And I wasn't sure how I felt about that, but I'll tell you later that it was amazing. And I got the conditioner in the heavy conditioner for coilies because obviously I'm a natural curly girl, and my hair type is between a 3C and 4A curl pattern. So I wanted to make sure I got the right one for my texture, but they do come in different options based on the texture of your hair. And again, the conditioner smells just as good as the shampoo. It does offer a lot of slip, and it was pretty easy to detangle. I will say that I did have to add a little bit more water to my hair once the conditioner was in it, because it just didn't seem like it was enough to really detangle it. So you may have to add a little bit of water when you're applying the product. Do you guys see these curls? Now it's time to go ahead and rinse it out. And you want to make sure you thoroughly rinse it because you don't want any left behind. And for me, it was a fairly quick and easy process. I like to detangle my hair before washing, so it's easy to do the whole shampoo and conditioner detangle and everything quickly. But yeah, I'm loving the product so far. Yes, curls, come through looking nice and hydrated and silky. Drum roll, please. Now is the time for us to see what the results are looking like. So I didn't apply any product to my hair. This is after shampoo and conditioning my hair. Do you see these curls? They're nice and defined. The hair is fluffy and soft and has body and movement. I love it. The price point on these products are a little bit pricey for me, but the results are amazing. The quality is amazing. So for that, I mean, I would definitely recommend it. Let's take a look at my scalp and see if I was able to get all that build up and dry scalp. There's a little bit of flaking, not much. And the previous hairstyle that I was wearing, it was heavy on the gel, Eco Styling Gel. So there's build up. But for the most part, I would definitely say that I got it, most of it off, which I'm happy about. And that was, like I said, with just one pass of shampoo. I'm sure if I did 2 or 3, it would have gotten all of it. All right, so as you can see from the video and photos, my curls were popping. I think this is a great product. The quality of the product is amazing. The conditioner gave me a lot of like slip in my hair, and it really did help to hydrate my hair and define my curls, and also reduce some of that frizz that us natural curly girls get. So I really love the product. The smell is amazing. This product smells so good. I will say one thing that I don't really care for about this product is how much conditioner you have to use to really get a good hydration and coverage. I use about half of my travel size, so that lets me know that, like, and this is a 3-ounce bottle, so that lets me know like I'll be going through this stuff so fast. And she did mention that, you know, she wanted to come out with larger sizes because on natural curly hair, you know, a dime size or a quarter size is just not enough for all of our curls. So she did, you know, think about that, and she came out with some bigger sizes for us, which I am appreciative of, but the price point is on the more expensive side for me. So I don't necessarily know that this is something that I would wash with on a regular basis, but I think it would be more so like a treat wash, if you will, just because it is kind of pricey. So with that being said, if price point isn't a thing for you and you know you can handle the price point of this product, then by all means try it out, because like I said, the quality is amazing and the results are great. As you can see in the video, without even putting any products on my hair after washing it, my curls were nice and defined and hydrated. So like I said, I would totally buy this product again. But just be mindful that it will take a lot of conditioner to really work through and cover all your hair. Please let me know what you guys think of this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the great videos I have coming your way. And drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this video. Let me know if you also have tried the pattern products or if you're going to try them. And if you have, let me know what your results are. I would love to know what you guys think of this product as well. And thanks for watching.